Yes, welcome back, children. Yes, we discussed about the role of opposition parties. What is the role of the opposition parties? Who is called opposition party? The opposition parties, that means the people elected but they were not in the member in the ruling party. They are called opposition parties. Opposition parties refer to elected political parties or representatives. They are elected by the people. Yes, children. Yes, please you understand. They elected by the people, but they are not get the majority. So they are not part in the ruling party, okay? Or they do not participate in the making legislative, okay? They are called the opposition party, who are not members of ruling party. Members of opposition parties play an important in highlighting the weakness of the government. Then role of the opposition parties the same. Opposition parties mobilize opposition to the government. Mobilize means they are the power to move the government and check abuse of power by ruling party. Opposition are to be for the sake of opposition. Simply, you are not doing that, you are not doing this, like that, they should not say. Opposition parties are to act responsibly and not create unnecessary problems or issues for running the government. Okay. Then next, power of the people. Okay. People's power. You well know, because the government is of the people, by the people and for the people. Okay. So the people only have more power. Okay. We the people, we only elect the government. Yes. In a democracy, the ultimate power lies with the people. Yes, no? According to our Abraham Lincoln, the government is of the people, by the people and for the people. Okay. So the ultimate power in the people's hand only. Okay. Ruling party cannot ignore demands of the people. Okay, what are the issues or what are the problems? What are the demand arised from the people's side? The immediate action wants to take by the ruling party or by the government. Okay, children, whatever it is, the health department or educational department, or the price, the commodities price. For example, now that the onion price is rising very high, so the government took necessary steps for these things. Then inability of government to deal with demands of people would lead to change of government. Okay, if they are not inability, they are unable to solve the problems from the people's side, or they are unable to solve the problems it is arising in the state, it is the chance they are there is the government changes. Then people's power. Here, different means are used by people to raise voice against actions and policies of the government. Peoples have the power if the government is not the welfare of the people, and also their actions and other things is not satisfied by the people, means we have the rights to raise our voice against the government actions. Okay, children, do you understand what Miss is saying now? Is what I am saying? We have the rights to raise our voice against the government when we are not satisfied, or when the government actions are not accepted by us. Okay. In that time, for us, the media also helps in very huge way. Okay. Media plays an important role in highlighting merits and demerits of government's policies. That is role of media. Here, how does media act as a link between the government and the people? Yes, we know very well about the media because media take a small issue into a big. Yes, children, we all are in Tamil Nadu, so we well know about the film. I think everybody watched that movie, Kaka Muttai. Yes, have you watched? No? Yes, in that movie, we saw how the media is taking up issue to the public in what way. Okay, so the media is the important role between the government and the people. If the government action is not good, that time the media want to explains to the people what the government's actions, and the same time the media wants to take the issues from the people's side to the government. So role of the media is very important in a country or in the government. Press conference. What is called press conference? A large number of people from different newspapers and TV channels along with ministers and government officials meet up for a conference. That is, nowadays is not only for the media, that is government. Here our lesson is government, so we are discussing about the government officials. For example, in the time of COVID-19, in the month of April, we are seeing every day our Honorable Minister, that is Health Minister, Dr. Vijay Bhaskar, every day 5 to 5:30, he is in front of the press. Okay, that is called press conference. He every day he used to say how many persons affected today due to COVID-19 and what are the steps taken by the government, where they admitted, what are the treatment given for them, from which districts they belong. Every details they given to the press. No, yes, that's called press conference. In that area, so many TV channels and newspapers, press reporters, everybody gathered in one place and they take the important news from the particular persons. Okay, that we know the press conference. Now also our Honorable Chief Minister also used to come often to the channels. We saw what are the things we want to do, that is in the COVID-19 time, and in the lockdown what are the things they removed, everything they saying. Yes, no? So that is called conference, press conference. Ministers are expected to explain their actions and policies. Not only these ministers and all the ministers, educational minister, Honorable Mr. Sengotayan sir came and give the meeting to the press conference when the schools will open, what are the actions they taken, that is the government taken for that, how they give the teachings to the government school students through the channels, Kalvi channels and other channels. What are the timings, everything they are giving to the people. Okay, that is called press conference. Okay, children. Yes, the next press meet, the same. That time reporters ask questions and then communicate the informations on government policies and schemes to the common people. Okay, at the time of COVID-19, reporters ask so many questions to the ministers, what steps taken by the government, where the people, whether they are getting the proper treatment or not, what they going to stop or they eradicate these diseases, whether the vaccination is discovered or not, okay, invent or not, everything the reporters ask to the ministers. Okay, so how many that kit, whether the testing kit is available or not in our state, everything. Okay, so that time the ministers or the responsible person to explain all the answers for the reporters questions, that's that is the bridge, communicate bridge for the people and to the government. Okay children, that's press conference and press meet. That the press, role of press is very media is very important. Now I think let's revise. What is the role of governor of a state? Yes, these things I given in the last session itself. Again I am giving for you the same thing, because you need to find the answers in your from your textbook and give the answers. What is the role of for governor of a state? He act as a how the president for the central government, like that governor have the power in the state government. Okay, then he have the power to dissolve the government. What is the role of the party that does not form the government? They are called the opposition party. They highlighting the weakness of the ruling party. Then who becomes a chief minister? The leader of the majority party becomes the chief minister. What is the role of the chief minister? He make the ministers of council of ministers, and allot the different portfolios to the minister and take care of the works done by them. Then how is the governor of a state appointed? It's appointed by the president. What is the importance of a press conference? The reporters asking questions to the ministers, and they should explain and they given proper answers to the reporters. That is the communication bridge between the people and the government. Yes children, thank you so much. Go through your textbook and write the answers for these questions and give the answers in your CW and post in your social Google Classroom. Thank you children. Bye. Take care.